So now we'll add a nucleophile to the scene. So you need to be in this folder, the assets, prefabs, SN2 essentials, and there you should see this nice green sphere, which is labeled nucleophile. So to bring it into this scene, click, drag, until you see a blue line. There it is, and drop. Okay, there's a nucleophile now in the scene, but it's not where I think it should be. So change its position on the right. -4 for the X, 0 for the Y, 0 for the Z. If you highlight nucleophile in the hierarchy, you can see on the right some of its component features. The first one I'm pointing out is rigid body. That's the built-in physics engine for Unity, and it allows this game object to have a velocity, interact with other objects according to the laws of physics. The second important thing is a sphere collider. Without a collider, this object could just pass through other objects. If we go to scene view, and if you double click on nucleophile, you'll zoom in on it. These light green lines indicate the sphere collider. If I change the radius, this is not what you need to do, but just to demonstrate, you can now see that it has a bigger collider, bigger than the actual atomic radius. So this is the right-sized collider for this game object. The third component is what's called a script. It's code that I wrote that allows it to move, but we don't need to worry about that now. Now click the Game tab on top and press play at the top of the screen. May take a few seconds for it to get ready. And now click on the blue space anywhere, and you should be able to move the nucleophile with arrow keys. So I'm using the right, left, up, down keys on my keyboard, and I can move the nucleophile. And this is what I'm saying. You can see it's colliding with the other game object, the molecule. And if you push your molecule off the scene, you can just hit reset, and they'll come back. If ever you're typing the arrows and it doesn't work, click in the blue space, and then it should work. But you can see we're not making any reaction here. We have molecules interacting, but there's not going to be any reaction. So let's go to the next step, which is how to enable a reaction to occur.